friends, this is Anwar Ali from Technocademia, and today we are going to discuss how you can verify your address verification PIN in Google AdSense if you did not receive your PIN even after third try, after fourth try, and you did not receive it. How you can verify your address without receiving the PIN. Sometime Google just take too long to send your PIN, and I already had discussed in our previous video that how you can receive the PIN, the Google AdSense PIN more quicker than before. But if you still did not receive your PIN even after third or fourth try, then there is another way you can verify it without any address verification. You can complete it without receiving any PIN. Okay, so here's, you can see this. Okay, I'm just going to open the AdSense PIN Troubleshooter link. I will give that link in my description as well. You can visit from that link to your AdSense PIN Troubleshooter and put your information, and you will get verified within 24 days, 24 weeks, hours, sorry, 24 hours. Okay, I'm just going to open my AdSense PIN Troubleshooter. Here, this is the link. I'll give it in the description, and you can just go to Google AdSense Help Center, okay, and just type AdSense PIN Troubleshooter. This, you can type that, and this form will appear in front of you. Here it will asking some information about you. When your AdSense earning reach the verification threshold, we will physically mail you a personal identification number PIN to verify your payment address. Use this troubleshooter to understand your current PIN status and the next step. Okay, it will ask me that as this is your email address you use for AdSense. I will say yes if I am using it. If no, then I will give it the exactly the email that I am using for AdSense. Okay, I'm going to continue. It will tell me PIN arrival check. Have you received your physical PIN mailer? Yes, I have received my PIN and would like to verify my payment address. But if we are going to discuss because we did not receive it, okay, so you will to select no, I have not received my PIN, and then continue. Okay, it will just giving an option, verification status. Here is the current PIN status for publisher ID. This verification status, number of PINs sent, pending verification 1, sent just one time to my address, one try. Last PIN sent on 2023-226. okay, incorrect entry, I did not done incorrect entry. Verification deadline, this. Okay, as you have requested your last PIN more than 3 weeks ago, you are eligible to resend a new PIN. Please first update your payment address to make sure it is a working address where you can receive physical mail. What does it says? That give an address, a working address where you can receive. So if our address is not updated, and we know that sometime our mailers or postcodes get changed after some census and after some things, so you will have to check if your address is updated and working address. Then just put that address and put your phone number. I just discussed it already in our previous video. You can see it from the above option and the video. Just and they say update to make sure, sign into your AdSense account. This, click payments, and the setting sections, click manage setting, and the payment profile, click Beside name and address, make the desired changes safe. I confirm my payment address is valid and that I can receive mail at this address. Okay, click this. Continue. Okay, it will say send new PIN. After confirming your payment address, you are now ready to resend a new PIN. Sign into your AdSense and do this. On the left navigation bar, find the payment verification check, click resend. We will mail a new PIN to your payment address. If your original PIN arrives first, feel free to use it. The replacement PIN will be duplicate of the original. Okay. Please also note that once your verification deadline is expired, your ads will be disabled and stop serving. We would suggest you to try to verify your PIN before deadline. Okay. We'll say continue. Okay, so tell me thank you for taking time to go through this troubleshooter. If you complete the suggested action and would like to support again, please feel free to visit this page again for checks. Note that it may take 24 to 8 hours before your changes are reflected here. If you have a question, please do this. Okay, so when you had done several tries and you did not receive your PIN after even the third try of the PIN, here you will then see an option where they will tell you that you did not receive your PIN through mail and we tried, but third time it's fourth time and you did not receive it, and we will disable the ads if you cannot verify. Then you will see a form where you can they will ask you from for your information, from your ID, from your address and the ID and something like that, and you just to put those information in this AdSense PIN Troubleshooter form and just continue and just submit those information. You will receive an email from Google AdSense that we received your AdSense PIN Troubleshooter form and we are reviewing it and we'll get back to you soon. And then in 24 hours, almost it take 8 hours, 24 hours to get the verification done through this AdSense PIN Troubleshooter process. If you have any question, please comment us in our comment section and we will try to answer you, or you can contact us through the recommended ways. I hope you will find our videos helpful. Thank you for watching.